Hey y'all, this your girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Today, I didn't even ask y'all how y'all doing. How y'all doing today? That's great. We got the Bantu knots going on using Mielle Hawaiian ginger moisturizing hair butter. Smells good too. Can't believe I remember that whole name. Yeah, she rapping that thing, y'all. She not playing no games. The last day of school always be the fastest. I said the last day of school is always the fastest day. Cause we don't get no work. Half the time, you just watching a movie in the class or something. Or they let you have free time. I like those days. Wasn't that in that boy mouth? I said, wasn't that paper in that boy mouth? You passing it around. They nasty. Y'all. Ow. This is my hair. If y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see, but I don't know if these gonna survive the night, but not sure. I will show y'all the final results in the morning if they survive the night, cause they like real skinny and fragile. Hey yo. I don't know if I can sleep like this with these Bantu knots. It's okay like this, but I don't want to sleep like this. Oh Lord.
I don't know. I do remember. Get some oil or something. Let me put on my fingers while I unwrap these. Rage.
Get in the oil, guys. Sure, why not? We back at it again. Well, y'all wouldn't know that because it would just look like it would just look like I moved the camera or something. But yeah, taking out my Bantu knots. You see her hands? Y'all see how she moving?
You know what?
She does this, y'all. Y'all better book her.
You know what? No. Book nobody.
Girl, that took 10 minutes.
All right. This is your Bantu knot out. This looks great.
Yes, girl.
Fluffy. I like it, right?
Miss America. Thanks, Mom.
Sure.
Y'all see this? A girl, curls popping and everything. Look like Miss America or something. Miss America up in here. She did that. Yeah.